The wrong broker doesn't just cost you money. It kills your entire trading journey before it even begins. Stay till the end of this video to understand how to really choose the best and maximize profit. Welcome to BilionX Traders, where we turn Forex confusion into Forex confidence. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into one of the most important topics for any trader looking to go live: how to open a real Forex account the right way.
You know, this is the step where most people mess up. Either they rush into it without thinking, or they get stuck and never start.
Facts. And that's why today I'm breaking it down step by step, based on real trading experience.
Let's start from the top. Why not just stick to demo? I mean, there's no risk, right?
Good question. Demo is where you build technical skill, how to enter, how to manage risk. But trading with real money, that's where you develop the mental game.
So you're saying demo doesn't teach you how it feels to lose or win?
Exactly. No fear, no greed, no pressure. But with real money, your psychology kicks in. You second-guess trades. You hold losers too long. You close winners too early. That's why the real game starts when you go live.
All right, let's talk brokers. There's a million out there, and the ads are everywhere. How do you pick a solid one?
Rule number 1, don't fall for flash. A beautiful website and big deposit bonuses mean nothing if the broker isn't regulated.
What kind of regulation are we talking about?
The big 3. FCA regulates from the UK. CySEC regulates from Cyprus. ASIC regulates from Australia. If your broker isn't licensed by one of these, walk away.
What about execution and fees?
Yeah, watch those too. Execution speed should be instant or near instant. No lag. Spreads and commissions. Transparent and predictable. And always test their deposit and withdrawal system before going big.
Any go-to brokers you trust?
Personally, I've used Exness, Easy Markets, Deriv, and OctaFX. Not sponsored, just real results.
All right, let's say I'm convinced, and I found a broker. What now?
Here's the process. Go to their website and click Open Live Account. Enter your real info, legal name, email, phone, no fake details. Set a strong password. Choose your account type. Standard if you're new. ECN if you want raw spreads and tighter control. Agree to the terms. Hit submit.
Simple enough. But I know what's next. KYC.
Yep, it stands for Know Your Customer. Brokers are required by law to verify your identity. You'll need 2 things: a government-issued ID, like your passport, driver's license, or national ID card, and a proof of address, utility bill, bank statement, something recent.
And how long does that take?
Usually less than 24 hours, if your docs are clear.
Ooh, that's cool then. Verified. Time to deposit. But how much should someone start with?
Here's the pro mindset. Only deposit what you can afford to lose. Start small. $50, $100, maybe $200. Test the system. Make a few trades. Withdraw.
Wait, so you test withdrawals first?
Exactly. If a broker delays or blocks your first small withdrawal, that's a red flag. Better to find out with $50 than $5,000.
Okay, but what payment methods do you think I should trust?
Bank transfers. Slow but stable. Crypto. Fast and often cheaper, but only if you understand it. E-wallets like Skrill or Neteller. Smooth and reliable in many countries.
So to recap, what's the pro way to open a real Forex account?
First, pick a regulated broker so you can set up your account with real info, then pass KYC properly. Fund your account cautiously, test both deposits and withdrawals.
Man, that was gold. I wish I had this when I started.
We all start somewhere, but with the right knowledge, you skip the pain and get to progress faster.
So y'all, if you're listening and this actually helped you, don't forget to
smash that like button, subscribe to BilionX Traders, and hit the bell so you never miss a money move.
Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We reply fast.
Stay locked in.